Multifunctional Mixer Electric Handheld Mixer KitchenAid and Cuisinart Mixer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of multifunctional mixer electric handheld mixer KitchenAid and Cuisinart mixer from trustworthy brand to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Compact, lightweight and great for your everyday mixing needs. This hand mixer features 5 speeds, 2 turbo beater accessories and the power and control to mix up your favorite cookie dough, mashed potatoes, and so much more. Slowly stir in chunky ingredients, like nuts or chocolate chips, at speed 1 or whip egg whites or heavy cream at speed 5. Number 2. Make even more with your hand mixer, every day, with this 9-speed hand mixer that comes standard with stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories, a pro whisk, dough hooks, a blending rod. This hand mixer has the right speed for the task at hand, from mixing in nuts and chocolate chips at speed 1, to whipping egg whites or kneading yeast dough at speed 9. It's compact, lightweight, and when you're done mixing, everything stores away nice and neat in the included storage bag. Number 3. Introducing a hand mixer that's as easy to put away as it is to operate. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer performs any task a recipe calls for, and then tucks into its own storage case. Once it has mixed heavy batters, whipped up fluffy meringues and kneaded homemade bread dough, just clean it up and put it away. Extra long beaters, chef's whisk, and dough hooks fit into a clear case, and the mixer snaps on top. Plenty of power, perfect control, and compact storage. That's a mixer anyone can love. Features: 220 watts of power with automatic feedback, smooth start feature with 3 low mixing speeds eliminates splattering, 1-step power switch with 9-speed LED display, sturdy snap-on case to store mixer and accessories, includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks and spatula, recipe book, limited 3-year warranty, BPA free. Number 4. Compact, lightweight and great for your everyday mixing needs. This hand mixer features 6 speeds, 2 flex edge beaters and the power and control to mix up your favorite cookie dough, mashed potatoes, and so much more. Slowly stir in chunky ingredients, like nuts or chocolate chips, at speed 1 or whip egg whites or heavy cream at speed 6. The flex edge beaters deliver 2x the surface area for faster, more thorough mixing, and also reduces the need to scrape down sides of the bowl, when compared to metal beaters. When you're finished mixing, you can securely store your accessories with the integrated storage clip that attaches to the underside of your mixer, eliminating the need for bulky containers and/or storage boxes. Compared to metal turbo beater 2 accessories based on cake batter. Number 5. Make even more with your hand mixer, every day, with this 7-speed hand mixer that comes standard with stainless steel turbo beater 2 accessories and a pro whisk. This hand mixer has the right speed for the task at hand, from mixing in nuts and chocolate chips at speed 1, to whipping egg whites at speed 7. It's compact, lightweight, and guaranteed to thoroughly mix ingredients for all of your favorite recipes, and whip egg whites or heavy creams to fluffy peaks, to top off your perfect dessert. Number 6. Designed for the perfect puree. This KitchenAid variable speed corded hand blender features an 8-inch removable blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade to blend everything from smoothies, to milkshakes, soups, sauces, and so much more. It is easy to use with the variable speed trigger switch and includes a US patented removal pan guard to help protect your cookware. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is great for individual blending jobs, and can be used to serve direct from or to store your blended creation for a later use. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.